So Tommy, the no-armed Chinese fella, is in a presidential motorcade with the general and Trump, and it's a blizzard, and Trump says, stop the motorcade. And Tommy says, you can't stop the motorcade. And the general says, why do you want to stop the motorcade? And he says, look over there, there's a nun. So they stop, they get out of the limo and go over to her, and they ask, why are you in this blizzard? And she says, I have to get back to the convent. And Trump says, well, why didn't you just call somebody? And she says, oh, we can't carry phones. The Pope says phones are simply an evil device designed to save lives and display beauty, so we can't carry. So they give her a ride to the convent.